Welcome to Decor Pro 2.
When it comes to interior design, ceilings are often overlooked, yet they play a crucial role in determining the overall aesthetic of a room. Elegant gypsum ceiling designs can transform a plain space into a stunning visual experience. This article explores the various types of gypsum ceiling designs, their advantages, and tips for implementing them in your home. What is gypsum? Gypsum is a natural mineral that is widely used in construction. When processed, it becomes gypsum board or drywall, making it an ideal material for ceiling designs. Gypsum ceilings are not only aesthetically pleasing but also practical, offering excellent sound insulation, fire resistance, and easy installation. The benefits of gypsum ceilings. 1. Versatility. Gypsum can be molded into various shapes and forms, allowing for endless creative possibilities in ceiling design. Whether you are aiming for a modern, classical, or eclectic look, gypsum ceilings can accommodate your vision. 2. Aesthetic appeal. Elegant gypsum designs can add a touch of sophistication to any room. From intricate moldings to minimalist flat ceilings, the design options are limitless. Three. Acoustic properties. Gypsum has excellent sound dampening qualities, making it perfect for home theaters or any space where noise control is important. 4. Easy maintenance. Gypsum ceilings are relatively easy to maintain. A simple wash with mild soap and water can keep them looking fresh. 5. Energy efficiency. Gypsum ceilings can help regulate temperature and reduce energy costs by improving insulation. Elegant design ideas. 1. Coffered ceilings. This classic design features a grid of recessed panels, creating depth and dimension. Coffered ceilings work wonderfully in dining areas and living rooms, giving a luxurious touch to your decor. 2. Tray ceilings. A tray ceiling has a center section that is higher than the surrounding area. The design can be enhanced with different paint colors or lighting. It creates an illusion of height and adds elegance, especially in bedrooms. 3. Curved ceilings. For a contemporary look, consider a curved gypsum ceiling. This design is perfect for modern homes and can soften the lines of a room, adding a dynamic element to the overall decor. 4. Ornate moldings. Intricate moldings can transform a simple ceiling into a work of art. Whether you choose classic crown moldings or avant-garde geometric patterns, ornate details can enhance the elegance of any room. 5. LED backlighting. Implementing LED lights behind gypsum panels can create an ambient glow, adding a modern twist to traditional designs. This approach is especially effective in home theaters or entertainment rooms. 6. Integrated fixtures. Gypsum ceilings can accommodate integrated light fixtures, blending seamlessly into the design. This offers a clean, finished look and can illuminate spaces elegantly. 7. Textured finishes. Consider using textures such as stucco or sand finish for added depth. Texture can introduce visual interest to the ceiling without overwhelming the rest of the design. Choosing the right colors. Color plays a significant role in the overall feel of a room. Light colors can make a space feel larger and airy, while darker hues can create a cozy and intimate atmosphere. Here are some tips for selecting the right colors for your gypsum ceiling. 1. Match the walls. Using the same color on the ceiling as the walls can create a cohesive look. It's an excellent choice for smaller rooms to create the illusion of space. 2. Contrasting colors. Oppositional colors can add drama and interest to a room. For example, a white ceiling can provide a striking contrast for dark walls, making the ceilings appear taller. 3. Accent ceilings. Use bold colors or patterns on your gypsum ceiling to act as an accent feature in the room. This can be particularly effective in children's rooms or play areas. Installation of gypsum ceilings. Installing gypsum ceilings requires some planning and expertise. Here are the basic steps involved. 1. Design. Start with a design that fits your space and style. Sketch your ideas and consider using software for a visual representation. 2. Materials. Choose high-quality gypsum board and necessary materials, including screws, tape, and joint compound. 3. Tools needed. Common tools include a saw, tape measure, level, and drill. Ensure you have safety equipment to protect yourself during installation. 4. Framing. Create a framework to support the gypsum panels. This can be done using metal or wooden strips. 5. Installation. Cut the gypsum boards to fit your design and attach them to the framework. Make sure to leave gaps for any lighting fixtures. 6. Finishing. Apply joint compound to seams and screw holes, then sand the surface when it dries. Finally, paint or finish your ceiling as desired. Conclusion. In conclusion, elegant gypsum ceiling designs are an excellent way to elevate the aesthetic appeal of any room. With a variety of styles, colors, and textures to choose from, you can customize your ceilings to suit your taste and complement your decor. Whether you prefer the classic charm of coffered ceilings or the modern flair of LED backlighting and curved designs, gypsum ceilings offer a functional and visually stunning solution for your home. Embrace the artistry of gypsum ceiling designs and transform your living spaces into elegant havens of beauty. Whether you are documenting the process for a YouTube video or merely seeking inspiration for your next renovation, the possibilities are as vast as your imagination. Welcome to Decor Pro 2. We are happy to have you here with us today. In this video, we will explore elegant gypsum ceiling designs that will help you transform your homes into beautiful and attractive spaces. Be sure to watch the video until the end to get the best ideas and tips. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive all our latest content. The channel aims to provide you with the latest trends in decor and inspiration for anyone looking to enhance their home. We are here to help you achieve your creative vision and turn dreams into reality. Thank you for your support, and let's start our journey into the world of decor together.